Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the EtherMail Airdrop. This is a free and easy airdrop to do, and this is email peer-to-peer. This is a very fantastic idea, a very great and interesting project that has been already 2 years working on this. This is a webmail service that works with blockchain, and this brings a lot of technological upgrades on the email services. So this project has a real good future, and they launched a very easy airdrop from a while. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how it works, what is EtherMail, how much they raise, and the team behind this. So if you want to participate in a great project with an easy airdrop, this is your video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. EtherMail is redefining email for Web3, setting the standard for anonymous and encrypting wallet-to-wallet communication, a bridge between 2.0 and Web 3.0 email communication, bringing back to users full ownership, control, and sovereignty of their inbox, fully anonymous peer-to-peer communication, and being rewarded for reading relevant content in their inbox. For companies, this means sending rich, relevant content directly to asset holders based on blockchain sync real-time information. So what is EMC and how this airdrop works? Before a native utility token is launched, all rewards will initially be allocated in EMC, providing an incentivization mechanism for affiliate members to refer new members and for reading any type of email that it's received. Eventually, these EMC rewards will be converted into EMT, which is going to be the token for this protocol. The EMC-EMT conversion rate will be defined at the time of token launch, serving as an early adopter's incentivization tool to prove the MVP. This conversion rate will fluctuate over time based on market dynamics. This project, guys, raised 3 million on the second round, so we can say like it's a small medium project, and you can see like this inbox looks really like many other email providers, and we are going to see this now live, so I'm going to do that in my step by step. In terms of community, in Twitter 54k followers already, and I will put the link to this Yahoo Finance note. This was in August 2022. And you have some information here about the project, the VCs that are behind this, and you will see information here about the founders of this project, that they did this in 2021, and from there this project has been growing. So you can read here the complete story on Yahoo Finance. And also this project is here on LinkedIn. They say that they have 27 employees, and seems that the headquarters are in Barcelona, Spain. The website is ethermail.io. And you will find more information here about the project, actually what is the problem and why this is a great solution, the solution that they bring into the table, and here you have an introductory video on how this project works. So now that we understand a little bit about this project and why I think this is a great project, we are going to do the step-by-step on how EtherMail Airdrop works. The step 1, guys, is follow them on Twitter. I put here on the step 1 the Twitter account. You are going to see there all the last news that the project is launching. We don't have a Discord channel, but we have a Telegram. So in the step 2, you can see, check all the other official links. This is the link tree. So you can go to the Telegram. You can also see the LinkedIn, report issues, user suggestions, and you have a section for companies. So I recommend you to check everything before, so you understand exactly how this project works. But in terms of security of this project, or if this is a scam project or not, they have been here already building this from 2021. They are well founded. They have a transparent company. You know the employees, you know the founder. So I don't have doubts about the risk on this. So I think we are safe applying to this airdrop. After you check the Twitter and all the official links, we go to step 3, which is sign on EtherMail. So go there, click that link. that is going to send you directly to sign up for this. So once you click the link, you go here and click on sign up for free. You will need to connect your wallet. In this case, I'm going to connect with MetaMask. And now we go step by step on what to do. First, you need to click here to sign now. This is going to ask you a signature request, so you need to accept that to connect your wallet. And here you need to click on next. You are welcome here. And this is an important step that you may want to do or not. It's going to depend on you. They ask you for a backup email. If you put a secondary email here, of course you are going to lose the 100% privacy that this account has. But for the other hand, if you are doing the airdrop, you are going to receive 200 EMC points or tokens. Like I mentioned before, these EMC are going to be translated into the official tokens on launch that is going to happen this year. So for the purpose for the airdrop, I would recommend you to put an email here. The truth is that you can create an account on Proton Mail and you are going to be safe. So if you want use that, I will put another email here. So after you put your email, click on next. And then you're going to be seeing this, that you just earned your first 200 EMC. So the EMC, remember, is what we want to collect. That will be translated when they launch the token into tokens. Now let's click on go to the inbox. To do that, we need to confirm also this signature transaction again. This doesn't cost you any gas fee. Remember, we are connected into Ethereum mainnet. And then click on finish. And now you can see, guys, you are in your inbox after that. And you can see here you have 50 EMC. You can change some stuff here if you want the dark mode or the light mode. So we already have 50 EMC. And you can see each time that I enter and check an email, I'm going to have 1 EMC more. So I got 50 EMC for using that link, and I got 200 for using a secondary email. So if you use those things, so if you use this link on the step 3 and you put a secondary email, you are going to start with 250 EMC. That at this point we don't know exactly how many tokens are going to be on the value, but it's your best chance for now. The other things that you can do is check your emails. You are going to be receiving email, and you can see each time that you see an email and open an email, you are going to get 1 EMC point more. So check all the emails that you get here. I would recommend you to enter, and you also can use the different things that any webmail service can offer you. So if you receive an email, you send an email, and you receive an email and read it, you are going to get 1 EMC here. Now, to get more points here, you have a couple of things to do. Step 4, like I mentioned, if you provide a secondary email, you get 200 EMC points from start. Each time that you read one email, you get 1 EMC. And the last thing that you can do is you can share with your friends and get EMC rewards too. So in order to share this with your friends, you just click here and you have here a link that is going to be your referral link for this. That will bring you 250 EMC too. So that will be all, guys, for this. Remember, you have these 3 things to do in order to increase your amount of EMC. And doing that, you are going to be in the best position for the possible airdrop. And remember to follow them on Twitter and Telegram if you really want to get into this project. The news here of 2022 say that during this year, during 2023, they are going to launch the token officially. So that is why I am covering this right now. We still have time. So maybe in a couple of weeks or a couple of months, we will have the token launch, which is going to give us the reward that we are earning here at EMC point. Remember, guys, if you want to do more airdrops, you go to my website, cryptocurrencystate.net. Go to the video section. I have been covering hundreds of airdrops since the last years, and I also had put some BRC20 airdrops that you can do. For example, BRC chain. This is a 180 million airdrop. We have other different types of airdrops and projects. So go to my website. You also can search here if you know a project that you want to do an airdrop. Search it here. For example, Zksync, and you can see all my videos of Zksync. I covered this many times, and my last video in June was some tips for a big airdrop on Zksync. So go there, search your videos, and if you want to make another step on your airdrop hunter path, I recommend you to check my subscriptions. This is on my website under the subscription section. I have a private Discord where we are managing high level of information for airdrops, airdrops distribution, so you don't miss any of your tokens. BRC20, not many people is covering airdrops on BRC ecosystem, we are doing it. So join our Discord, and we also have crypto strategies, portfolio, many things happening in my Discord. And I created an application. This app is going to help you to apply and register all my airdrops and your custom airdrops easily. So check these 2 videos if you really want to make money on airdrops. This is the best moment on this bear market. Guys, that will be all for this video. EtherMail, this is a very easy and free airdrop to do. It's email peer-to-peer. Actually, a very big and potential unique project in the market right now in the Ethereum network. So check this and apply easily to this airdrop. If you liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.